Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Grammar series. In our last video, we learned about what are nouns. In today's video, we are going to learn about the types of nouns. Do you know there are 12 types of nouns in English? If you understand nouns, grammar becomes easy. Let's learn them one by one with simple examples. First comes the common noun. A common noun is a general name of a person, place, or a thing. For example, girl, city, boy, book, teacher. Then comes proper noun. A proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, organization. For example, for a boy, it will be John. For a girl, Lisa. For a city, it could be Delhi. For a country, we can say India. For a book, we can say it's a maths book. But do remember, proper nouns always starts with a capital letter. Then comes concrete nouns. Concrete nouns means something you can see, touch, hear, smell or taste. हिंदी में जैसे कि जिसको आप देख सकते हो, छू सकते हो, सूंघ सकते हो, सुन सकते हो, टेस्ट कर सकते हो, उन सबको हम concrete nouns कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चेयर हो गई, एप्पल, डॉग, इन सब चीजों को आप देख सकते हो, सुन सकते हो, इनको आप छू भी सकते हो. तो ये सब होते हैं हमारे कॉन्क्रीट नाउन्स. देन कम्स एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स क्या होते हैं? एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन मीन्स एन आइडिया, क्वालिटी, फीलिंग और स्टेट. जैसे कि हैप्पीनेस, ऑनेस्टी, हंगर एंड लव. देन कम्स collective nouns. A collective noun refers to a group of people, animals or things. अब ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स क्या होता है? जैसे कि जो झुंड होता है पूरा, है ना? सो इन इंग्लिश अ ग्रुप ऑफ शीप इज हर्ड. हर्ड ऑफ शीप. फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स. टीम ऑफ पीपल. क्लास ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. We are going to learn in further more detail about collective nouns in our coming videos. Then comes compound nouns. Compound nouns is made by joining two or more words. Together, they form one new meaning. For example, notebook, raincoat, basketball, ice cream. All these are compound nouns. Then comes possessive noun. A possessive noun shows ownership or belonging. It usually uses apostrophe s in the end, or if it's a word which is already ending with an s, then after s we will use apostrophe. For example, Ria's book, teacher's pen, boy's bag, men's shoe. It's showing the ownership. बुक किसकी है? रिया की. पेन किसका है? टीचर का. वो बैग किसका है? लड़के का. और वो जूते किसके हैं? उस आदमी के. That's possessive noun. Then comes countable noun. A countable noun is something you can count. They have singular and plural forms. For example, one pen, two pens, person, people. Then comes uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted individually. They usually have no plural form, like air, water, information, advice. Then comes singular noun. A singular noun refers to only one person, place, thing, or an idea. For example, a boy, a book, the city, a chair. Then comes a plural noun, refers to more than one person, a place, a thing, or an idea. It is often ends with an S or ES. For example, boys, books, boxes, pens. In this, boys and books and pens ended with an S and boxes ended with ES to make it a plural form. And the last comes material noun. A material noun means a substance or material from which things are made. It is usually uncountable, like gold, wood, milk, oil. You can't count them individually. You need to measure them in a different measuring terms. That we will going to learn in our coming videos. Nouns name people, places, things, or an idea. And these 12 types helps us use English correctly in our daily conversation. That's all for today. Stay tuned. In next videos, we will explain each noun type in detail with quizzes. Follow the English Birdie, learn English the easy way. And don't forget to comment the correct answer.